Hi, this is Nate with Userlytics, going to be walking you through the process of how to onboard into a mobile study. You can see I've been sent a link via my email, so I'm going to first click the link to enter the study. Now it's going to send me to Google or whatever browser you're using, and from here you'll see that I need to enter my name and email in order to take part in the study. Name is only required. Email is not required if it's an unmoderated study. If it's moderated, email will be required. You agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and continue. From there, we may see a screener. Now, this is not always going to be the case, but if there is a screener, just go through the questions and answer them to the best of your ability. They may or may not disqualify you or qualify you based on what you answer. But again, this may not appear, but I have it here just in case it does. You will go through a screener. All right, you can see answer the question and proceed on. If you answer it correctly, then you will pass and be able to take the study. Okay, great. Now I'm on a very important screen. This is where I get the code to actually take the study. So I'm going to first copy that code, and then I'm going to download the Userlytics mobile app if I have not downloaded already by clicking download to App Store. Will work the same way if you have an Android. Sends me to the App Store. You can see I've already downloaded it, but if you have not, go ahead and download it and then open. And from here, you may be required to log in, but if you are not a panel participant of Userlytics, you will not need to log in. You can just hit I have a code and begin the study. But if you're a panel participant, then log in so that you can get paid. Great, so there'll be a little button that says I have a code. Again, if you're not a panel participant, but if you are, just go to the left-hand bar and click Start Test with a Code. And enter the unique code, which again is the code that you grab from that landing page. So if I go back to my Chrome browser, I can see that's the code I need to copy and paste it in, and then hit I accept the terms of service and continue, and that is going to allow me to actually enter the study. Before you actually start the actual session, you're going to go through a couple quick screens, make sure your microphone works. You're also going to need to make sure you turn Do Not Disturb on so you don't get any messages during your study. You go through a quick preview. You can see it's collecting my audio right here. So great, my audio works. I hit finish preview, and then I go in and actually start the study. Now I'm not going to actually start it here because I'm actually recording it on my phone. But that is the process of how it starts. You'll have a little box that overlays your screen. If you have any questions, please reach out. But that is how to onboard into a mobile study with Userlytics.